Would you believe this is okra? Yes, my kids love it, my nephew loves it, and their friends love it. And I get it. Okra is a green, pokey, and slimy vegetable, not your most attractive thing. However, if you cook it properly, the kids will come for it. In this video, I'll show you how to cook okra so that it's always tender and flavorful and never slimy. I'm a cooking instructor for school-aged children, so I'll share with you my insider tips to get my students to try new vegetables in class. So grab some okra and let's get cooking. The first step is to select tender pods. Like when selecting green beans, you want to choose pods that are vibrant green. Snap the tip off a pod. It should have a light, crisp crunch sound. Cooking okra is actually simple if you follow two rules: dry and high. I use a salad spinner and pat dry the okra to make sure it's bone dry. Also make sure that your cutting board and knife are dry. Discard the cap and slice the okra into half-inch rounds. Usually the freshest okra are found at the farmer's market or the Indian grocery store. The bonus of the Indian grocery store is that they are prepped for you. Rule number 2, high heat. Add the okra followed by the oil to minimize splashing. Avoid overcrowding. When the okra is golden on one side, flip it over. When you get a coloration like this, turn off the heat and set it aside. The taste of okra is mild. That's why kids love it so much. So to make it flavorful, we are going to caramelize onions. The most efficient way to dice an onion is to cut it in half, peel it, and discard the ends. Identify the natural lines of the onions and rotate the onion by 90 degrees. Make vertical slices, stopping half an inch from the end. Turn the onion by 90 degrees. Slice following the natural lines of the onion. Heat the skillet to medium-low heat. Add some oil followed by the onions. You'll be stirring every now and then. This process should take 5 to 10 minutes. Add the salt. The number one mistake I see parents make, which unknowingly leads to picky eating, is to under-season or not season at all. If the food tastes bland, the child won't eat it. Once the onions are soft and golden, put them aside. Return to the pan, the tomatoes, oil, and salt. Put a lid on and cook until the tomatoes have broken down. Push them to the side of the pan, add some oil to the empty space, then toss in your cumin seeds. When they are fragrant, pour in some water to create a sauce. Now add the okra and the onions back into the pan and give everything a good mix. Cook until the okra is tender. You'll know it's ready when the fork slides through easily. Here are a few tips to get picky eaters to try new vegetables. 1. Make sure they're actually hungry. No snacks 1 to 2 hours before introducing a new dish. 2. Start with mild tasting vegetables, but don't forget to season them properly. 3. Let the kids cook with you. When they help in the kitchen, they feel proud and curious. Exposure takes away fear of new foods. If you're looking for new recipes or tips and techniques to get picky eaters to try new foods, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I release a new video every week. Bon appétit and see you later!